So we're trying to figure out if x times the absolute value of x is less than 2 to the x. So clue 1 says x is less than 0, so that means it's negative. X is negative. So on the left-hand side, we would have a negative times a positive, because when you take the absolute value, it's going to be positive, is less than 2 to some negative number. The left-hand side is going to be negative, but 2 to a negative number will just be 1 over 2 to that number. So 2 to a negative number, you would to make that exponent positive, you bring it to the denominator, and that changes the sign of the exponent, but the overall fraction is positive. For example, 2 to the negative 3, that is 1 over 2 cubed. So a negative number is less than this positive number. Now let's look at clue 2. Clue 2 is x equals negative 10. Well, you would just plug that in. It's going to be the same reason. You got negative 10 times a positive 10 is less than 2 to the negative 10. The left-hand side's negative. On the right-hand side, you got 1 over 2 to the 10th, which is positive. It's small, but it's positive. So your answer is going to be D. They're both sufficient.